All right, today we're going to bring a quadded mini pond, and if you guys can notice, it's a little odd shape on it. It comes with a pump with an actual filter, and the pump has a little oval ring that goes in here. Underneath the actual fountain where the water leaks a lot, it's going to be, there's an LED light. Also, the actual funnel goes here, so you can tighten it up. This system goes here, so it can suck all the water from the bottom. Now, they do give you gravel, heavy duty gravel, ready to go. They give you different kind of gravel, if you guys can see that. And this is more like clay ball. This is for the actual aquatic plants, so they could grow on it, all right? So we're gonna put this together. And also they include the instructions here. It all came within one box, and the box probably like the heavy steam was a gravel, of course. It was about 20-30 pounds, right? Not that heavy. So we're gonna put this together on the floor and set it up and see how it looks. We're gonna set up the oval ring goes in here, all right? And this has to be facing up, of course, but right now we're facing down. I'm gonna tie this up. So we have the first part set right here. Then we're just gonna rinse it off a little bit, put the gravel that you want, make sure it's up to standard, to your liking. This also is another cable that needs to go on the outside. This is for the LED light, optional. The LED light, there is a cable management, and you guys can see it goes all around the actual system. So we're gonna actually put it embedded in there and set it up. Check it out, guys. It's I have two pumps, one for the waterfall and the other one is for the actual spring. And I put on my little pond here. I don't have to worry about electricity or anything like that because it's working off the solar panel. If you guys can see, the solar panel's over there. It's working very well. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it is too high, but I just want to use it as a demo. So one's gonna be a waterfall and the other one's gonna be pumping the water high.